This is Ryan with Prudential Pest Solutions, and the garage door seal on the sides of either side of your garage door are very common ways for rodents to get in because they can just chew through that rubber gasket. So I'm going to show you a product that we use to keep rodents from coming into your garage and your house. So we're looking here at the garage door, and the door's open here, and we're looking at the framing. This seal here, it's just a rubber seal connected to this wood that goes all the way up, you can see. And what often happens is that rodents will chew through this little area here. And I have a picture at the end, I'll show you that. And then once they chew through that, they can just come right in. And it's not just mice either. Once that's open, other things like snakes and whatnot can also get in, which you definitely don't want. So you could just go to the hardware store and just replace this piece if the mice do chew this out. But what prevents them from just chewing through the new one? Well, I'm going to show you what we do. So instead of replacing that seal, because they can just chew right through it, what I have here and what we use is we use a rodent guard for the garage door seal. So this is a metal piece here that what it does is it sits right over top of this seal and it sits flush to the bottom here. So the mice can't chew through it, but yet nothing is going to get through. And it kind of blends in. You're not going to see that or anything. It just blends in with the existing seal. So it does two things. It repairs that chewed through part and also prevents mice, snakes, anything else from being able to chew or come through this area here. So it's a really great preventative measure if you already don't have one of these on here. By installing these rodent guards on the garage door seals, we can effectively keep out rodents and other animals from gaining access into the garage and the rest of the house. So it's a great preventative tool, and it's poison and chemical free, right? So whether you currently have a rodent issue or whether you just don't want to have a rodent issue, these rodent guards are a great addition to put on your garage door seal. So if you live in Chester County and you want to be rodent and pest free, give Prudential Pest Solutions a call, and I'm sure that we have a plan that can get you pest free today.